Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. Did you say the Vlogmas?
Like the Vlogmas monster.
Good morning, everyone. We are... I don't know why I'm up this early. I don't have to be. It's 8:19. It's a Saturday. I don't work today. But in order to get the car for tonight, I have to drive Mom. We have to take Mom to work, and I have to drive the car home.
I love this shot through here, always.
But anyways, we are taking Mom to the school because she's teaching today. And then I'm heading home, and after we drop her off, and I am going to set up our Christmas tree. Yay!
You're gonna clean too, right?
I totally forgot what I was gonna say now. Thank you.
You're gonna put up the Christmas tree.
I know. It's not even 8:30 yet. I can't function right now. Can I go back to bed?
No.
An accurate representation of how I feel right now. Beaker's face.
And Santa faces.
We're talking about sugar cookies and how we miss them.
It's not worth it. A gluten-free sugar cookie is not worth it.
Mm-mm. Ah, it burns! I can't see. Get the keys.
I love the way they sort out their formation.
I know. What?
That's your reminder for...
This is your reminder for... We're going Swedish Chef today. We've got Beaker, and then we're the chefs, Swedish chefs.
We're spending too much time together in the car.
We're getting Stockholm Syndrome. Or, what's the thing? I don't even know what it is. I can't function right now. Stir crate? No. On a ship.
I don't know, I was thinking of the Donner Party, Lost in the Mountains, where they all became
They eat each
cannibals.
other.
Yeah.
Well, I think we have the ability to get food if we need it.
What?
What?
Oh, you're just setting it down. You're recording?
Yes. Try not to kill my phone. I'm waiting like this just in case. You know what we need for Christmas? Just one of those things to stick there, and that way it'll hold our phone and let us use our GPS and all that fun stuff where we can see and not have to hold on to it.
Oh, this is gonna be bad. Going over the tracks.
Oh no, we did good. Superstar. Superstar. Hello, geese. It burns. It burns again.
I'm gonna just poke here.
Ah.
All right, darling. I hope I have keys to get in the house.
I hope you do too. Yes.
Okay.
You're so short. Whoa. I meant to put on the
I'm
brake.
gonna give you a
1, 2, 3, take my hand and come with me because you look so fine and I really want to make you mine. You look so fine that I really want to make you mine.
Oh my god. Open. Ooh. Another mat. In the color Up the Base. Ooh, that's the color. Very pretty. No. Oh my god. That was one of the cutest things. Yes. You are adorable. This is how editing happens. Hi. So I guess we're taking a break from editing. Are you excited for our tree today? Yeah, we're gonna put the tree up. Oh my goodness. There's literally only 3 sections. This is so much easier than our last tree. No. Lighting. I still have to do all the baubles and decorating and stuff, but look how pretty. Ooh, I love it. What is it? Okay, now a package just arrived about 20 minutes ago while I was still doing the lights, and I'm pretty sure I know what it is. I have been putting $50 of my paycheck into my savings every paycheck, and I have been doing this for a while now, and I have been saving and saving because I've been desperately wanting a new vlogging camera, like a really good one, just better quality than the one I have, which is, hang on, where is it? It has somehow been possessed. I cannot change any of the settings anymore, and it films at a much lower quality and size than it used to, which just saddens me. I've tried everything, but I've had this for what, about 9 years. So I mean, the quality and pixels and everything has gone up since that time in all cameras, and I wanted to actually get a good quality camera that is portable, I can take around with me, it's good for vlogging, and I don't have to use up space on my phone because that's what else I film on, and I don't have to carry around my big DSLR. So I've been saving up, and I think it has finally come. Ow. Also, don't just stab yourself in the leg with scissors. That's not a good plan. Although it would make for an interesting vlog. It is. I'm so excited. So here's the deal. I went on Amazon, found the camera that I was looking for, brand new. And it also came with a set of like SD cards, carrier, cords, camera cleaner, 2 batteries. I think that was it. Oh, and a tiny little mini tripod to carry it around with. And it was cheaper than actually getting it from the camera company themselves. It was cheaper for this whole thing. All of this is cheaper than getting just the camera and the 1 battery that it comes with. So, Merry Christmas, cat. Oh my God. There's a 64 gigabyte SD card. Oh my God. I need one of those. And then a more heavy duty tripod. Although I'm a little upset because this was blue in the picture and it is silver. Oh well. I don't know if this is the most recent one or not, but this is the one that I know a lot of like daily vloggers use. So I went for the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. I'm a Nikon girl, to be honest, but Nikon did not have a vlogging camera that I liked with a flip screen. Oh, look how tiny the little batteries are. Oh, you get, I have 2 chargers. I could charge them both at the same time. So cool. Hello, gorgeous. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And we have a flip up screen, so the screen will flip. How do I do it though? I don't want to break it on the first go. Oh, so you literally just pull it out and it flips up like that. I am so happy with this. Hello. Oh, I have to set, hang on. All right, it's yelling at me because I don't have a memory card. The video is uploading and this title just makes me laugh. And the batteries are charging, so I am going to take a shower because I have my work's Christmas party to go to tonight at 6. What did I do? I don't know, but I took a chunk out of my finger. It's from the tree. But yeah, so I have like 2 hours to get showered, presentable, and ready to go, as well as all this uploaded. Yay, super fun. Oh my God, I've made such a mess in here. And I have a couple Christmas presents to wrap before I go. Oh God. The tree took a whole lot longer than expected. Belle, you wanna come? Because I don't trust you not to chew on wires. Yeah. Oh, did you even touch the stairs? Dear God. Hi, Boo. What have you got in your fur? What is in here? Hi, Boo. What you doing? All right, let's test this out. So this is my how I vlog with my phone. The one of me decorating the tree video is from the old vlogging camera, and now I'm going to be switching over to the new one in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah! This looks so good. The viewfinder's up here. Sorry if I'm staring all over there, which is kind of hard to do, but oh my God, this looks so good. Ah. Oh my god, look at the reflection of my tree in my glasses. Okay, I've wrapped the presents. I've got one for Mom. It's under the tree. Yay. Oh my god, look how cute the tree looks in here. Gorgeous. And then this is for my friend at work, Kevin. This is his last day. I want to cry, but that just means we're gonna hang out after. Oh my god. The focus time is so great on this. Guess that just means we're gonna have to hang out outside of work from now on, which will be fun. Yeah. But now I really have to hurry and get ready because I'm already behind schedule.
What to drink? There's
Yes.
so many options. What to drink? Oh my goodness. No champagne was promised.
Yes,
There's
the
no
champagne is gone.
What do we do?
And he's already had his Jaeger bomb,
It
so
was
we're good.
delicious. Yay, holiday parties. Awkward as
So what are you going for?
I don't know. I kind of want that wine that you just opened.
That one? Oh god, that
I
one.
just need to
In the
sip
back.
on something. I need to sip on something slow. Pinot Grigio. Because if I don't...
Look at his tongue. Ah!
Jesus Christ.
Thank you. It's always the best at parties.
That motherfucker gets out like 4 inches, man.
Get out your 3D
does.
glasses.
Put out your 3D glasses. It's coming for you. It's coming.
You're going on vacation.
Alexander.
I call him Alexander because like
Alexander.
Alexander because it's from like the Persian Boy, which is like a book that I read. It was a series, a little book which was called The Persian Boy, which is what I read.
Yeah.
It was based off of the life of the boy that he brought to on his campaign, like his little love guy.
Yeah.
And Alexander.
I am home. I am about to download all of the videos from today onto my computer. And then I'm gonna try editing a little bit. But the party was super fun. And Kevin loved his present. Yeah, I think that is where I'm gonna end the vlog today. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to give this video a like and subscribe if you're new or haven't done so yet. And if you'd like to get notified when I post a new video, click that bell down there and that'll let you know. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!